This is your unboxing of the Fujifilm X-H2. Inside the box you'll find USB to USB power cable and data. There's power adapters for all around the world, the Fujifilm strap, and of course the cable support for the size. It's got a NPW235 battery, and there's the other part of the adapter. Here's the body. And you know what I really love? This, a full-sized Hdmi port. There are other bigger pro cameras that don't include this with other brands. You know what I'm talking about. That is huge, and that shows that Fujifilm is taking it seriously. You also have ports for mic and headphones. On the other side you've got a slot for CF Express Type B and a UHS 2 SD card. And you'll need a sharp lens for this new 40 megapixel sensor on the X-H2. And this is the XF56 F1.2 R WR. On an X series camera, this will give you a focal length equivalent of 85mm on a full frame. Overall clarity has been improved in this lens from the previous model, and in fact you'll be able to focus on closer subjects from 70 to 50 centimeters. The new X-H2 sensor packs in a whopping 40 megapixels, beating the rest of the pack, even beating the new Canon APS-C cameras. Power supply is pretty small. It feeds a USB-C cable, and if you want to, you can power it directly from that cable. Underneath that flip-out screen you can attach a fan, but given the way it handled long shoots, I don't think you'll need one. This is a V90 card, so after putting it in, went through the setup. I wanted to max everything out as much as possible. 8K 25p is what I was after. Keep an eye out for the next video where you'll see the 8K capabilities of this camera on Sydney Harbour, and of course some stills as well.